Coil options. The 10-inch by 5-inch elliptical coil that is supplied with the Xterra Gold Pack is a great coil for general gold detecting use. It gets good depth and is able to find very small gold. Its shape also allows for good ground coverage. There are 2 additional accessory coils available that can offer extra performance in some conditions. The 6-inch 18.75 kHz coil is more sensitive to very small pieces of gold, is better at getting in between rocks and trees, and is waterproof. However, due to its small size, it takes longer to thoroughly search large areas. The 10.5-inch round 18.75 kHz coil is larger, so it has greater detection depth on large, deeper gold, but is less sensitive to very small gold. Being larger, it takes less time to search large areas, so is best used in open ground where there are not many large rocks or trees. Choosing the coil that best suits your detecting conditions can increase the amount of gold you find.